The important SQL functions are 1. Sum within bracket column name. This is made use of to find the sum of a numeric column. AVG within bracket column name. This is used to find the average of a numeric column, and average means sum of the elements divided by number of elements. Similarly, you can find the maximum and minimum of a column. Write SQL statement to display the sum of marks scored by male students. So we want to find the sum of marks scored by male students, which means 75 plus 46 plus 72 plus 68 plus 88 plus 77, that is equal to 426. So answer should be displayed like this: sum of marks is equal to 426. Display means select sum of marks, so you can use the function sum within bracket column name followed by from table name. Condition is there, so you can use the keyword where scored by male students, so you can write sex is equal to M. Let me implement this in MySQL. Let me copy paste the command. So you can see the sum of marks scored by male student. If you want to give a different heading, the statement may be written like this: select sum of marks. After that you can leave one space. Inside single quotes or double quotes you can give the new heading, followed by from table name. Condition is there where sex is equal to M. So you can see that the new heading appears in the display. So how to give a new heading? After the column name you can leave a space. Inside single quotes or double quotes you can write the new heading. Display the average marks scored by students of class 12A. So I want to find the average marks scored by students of class 12A, which means 68 plus 72 plus 90. This is a missing entry, nothing is there, equal to 230. So this is 230 divided by 3, because missing entry means nothing is there, it is not taken as 0, so it should not be divided by 4. It is 230 divided by 3, that is equal to 76.67. How do you write the SQL statement for this? Display select average marks, AVG within bracket column name followed by from followed by table name. Condition is there where class is equal to 12A. Let me implement this in MySQL. Let me copy paste the command. So you can see the average marks scored by students of class 12A. Display, so select maximum and minimum marks, so you can write max marks comma min marks followed by from table name whose name starts with A. Anyway, condition is there where name is equal to a percentage. The first character is A followed by 0 or more characters. When you make use of percentage or underscore, the relational operator equal to should be replaced with a like. Let me implement this in MySQL. Let me copy paste the command. So you can see maximum and minimum marks of students whose name starts with A. The count function may exist in 3 forms. Count star means the rows are counted. Along with count function, if you write column name, the missing entry in the column is not counted, all the remaining data items are counted. Along with count function, if you write distinct column name, the missing entry in this column is not counted, the duplicate entries are counted only once. Usually the count function is asked for output type of question. Whenever we write a statement along with the count function, we always make use of star. Write the output of these statements. Select count star from student. So count star means rows are counted. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, 10 rows are there, the answer is 10. Select count star from student where class is equal to 12A. count star, the rows are counted. Which type of rows? Where the column class contains 12A. So here the column class contains 12A, that row is counted. Here the column class contains 12A, that row is counted as 2, 3 and 4. So you get the answer 4. Along with the count function, if you use column name, the missing entry in the column is not counted and all the remaining data items are counted, so you get the answer 9. Along with the count function, if you write distinct column name, the missing entry in the column is not counted. The duplicate entries are counted only once, so which means you get the answer 8. Because one missing entry is there, so it becomes 9. One duplicate entry is there, hence it becomes 8. Now here the count function is not the simply distinct column name. So all the marks are displayed and the duplicate entry is displayed only once. So you get the answer 75, 68, 46, 72. The duplicate entry is displayed only once. 88, 90, even the missing entry is displayed. It is displayed as null, followed by 77 and 52. Display the number of male students from class 12A. So display means select. Number of, how many male students are there, count. Whenever we write a select statement, along with the count we make use of star, followed by from table name, condition is there, use the keyword where. Male students from class 12A, sex is equal to M and class is equal to 12A. Let me implement this in MySQL. Let me copy paste the command. So you can see there is only one male student in class 12A. Nested SQL statement. One SQL statement inside another one is known as nested SQL statement. Example, display the name of the first rank holder. Display, select. Display name, so select name from table name. Condition is there where first rank holder marks is equal to maximum marks. Kindly make a note of this point. Function should not be used alone. It should be part of a select statement. So if you want to get maximum marks here, the statement should be written as select maximum marks from student. One SQL statement inside another SQL statement is known as nested SQL statement. For a nested SQL statement, it should be inside bracket. So the SQL compiler will calculate this statement. The nested SQL statement is calculated first. Here you get the answer 90, and this is substituted for the outermost SQL statement. Let me implement this in MySQL. So you can see the details, the name of the first rank holder, and she is Lakshmi. Display the details of the eldest student. Here eldest student is not calculated on the basis of age because there are several students with the same age. So let me find the eldest student on the basis of date of birth. Now if I consider these two date of birth, you can see this is minimum when compared to this one, and for the minimum date of birth the age is maximum. So for the eldest student the date of birth must be minimum. So you can write the statement display select details star followed by from table name where date of birth is equal to minimum date of birth. But function should not be used alone. It should be part of select statement. So you can write select minimum date of birth from student. When multiple select statements are there, the innermost select statements must be inside bracket. So this will be calculated first, that is substituted in the outer SQL statement. Let me implement this in MySQL. Let me copy paste the command. So you can see the details of the eldest student.